So guys, good afternoon traders. Welcome. Today we're going to look at Euro USD. Yesterday I posted a video and showing you what we think, what we expected on Euro USD, and what we talked about. If I can recap, we talked about Euro when it was around here, and we said we wanted to see the push, and then from here, if we see some sort of, let's say, head and shoulder or double top, we wait for a pullback, and then from here we can enter that trade like that. So that's what we were talking about. So now the market is now has printed, it has not printed a double top, but it has printed something else. So remember, if let's say, for example, if we go on let's go on 15 minutes so that at least you see what I'm saying. So let me put it like this, sorry. So guys, as you can see, we are at which level? We are at a important level. This level, it's a resistance level. Okay. So now, and from here, we can see there is a, you see this broken, and now we want to retest this level. As you can see, this was it's a minor support level here. Okay. So we see a series of higher highs and higher lows. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So here around this area, we can take our sales. I'm already in on that sell, and then we hope the market will continue printing, going down. However, guys, today we have a very important news coming in. ECB interest rates. We have two news for dollar and for euro. So we don't know if now, if the news might decide to, come and retest this level, it might spike up, maybe collect liquidity above here, because they already know there's a lot of stop loss here. They might decide to collect the orders and then maybe drop. Okay, so be careful. That is why this is now my sell setup. What I think the market will do, let me just show you. As you can see, so this is my entry level. I'm already in for a sell, and this is my stop loss above this high. So my stop loss is around here. Okay, I'm anticipating this big move, either today, tomorrow, next week, we don't know. But that's the move that I want to see Euro doing, maybe retesting here, and then, coming down to at least this level. Okay, something like that, because we have those big news coming. So we are hoping it will print something like this. If we get this kind of movement, then we'll have made good money. Then when the market gets to here, we wait and see if there's going to be any reaction. Because from here we can see, it can decide maybe to push up or down. We don't know. So we wait for that kind of setup. So I'm already in based on those these setups. That's why, let me see. Yeah, so based on that, I think we are good. We just have to wait. So it's either you wait for the news to happen, or you can enter, put a stop loss above this high and wait, or you wait for the stop hands to happen. If we see a big spike, to collect the orders, because they know kuna stop loss huku mingi, then maybe from here, if you see another candle close, a big candle close like that, that this will be a very good sign. If we see a red candle closing like this, it will be a very good sign for us to start looking for sales. So let's just hope. And if it decides to break up and keep pushing up, we will ignore. You will be stopped out and wait for another setup maybe around here. So for now, let's just wait and see if the market will play out the way we want it to play out. So currently, this is how the market looks like. We're going to it. So if I go on GBP USD, it's the same thing. I'm already in again on this pair. The structure is similar to Euro USD, because we can see, this is our resistance level. You can see we have a double top here, this top, and then the market broke this level. As you can see, this was you know, acting as support here, act as resistance here, acted as support here. The market went up, it broke down, it has retested. Now it came to retest this zone again here. Okay, so now as you can see, now it's pushing up. So we might see a retest again here, or maybe even here, and then finally continue down, if that's what the market wants to do. So I've taken a sell based on this technical analysis, because I can see here, my TP is below this, around this area, because there's demand here. So that's why I've put my take profit. That's why my TP is. So that setup is looking like that. So let's hope for the best. Let's see if the market will give us this drop. And if it does not give us this drop, and maybe say it decides to push up, it's good. We're going to leave it and wait for another setup above here. So let's say, for instance, if the market decides now from here maybe to come stop hunt and maybe do something like this, we will wait for a setup around here. Then if we see a good setup here, we will take it and then maybe finally drop down. Okay. So based on that, let's see what the market will give us in these two pairs, which we are already in for a sell. We are already selling. So let's wait and see if the market will give us money for this week. So that's how the setup looks like. In fact, this TP is TP is around there. So this is our TP. This is our stop loss above this high, and then our TP is around here. So let's wait and see if the market will give us anything today, or maybe tomorrow or next week. We don't know. We can even see a big move down. We don't know. So let's wait and see.